they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up, what's good with y'all? All right, so what are we getting into today? So today is kind of like a upon request video. You guys have been wanting to see more of this thing, and it's been a minute since I've actually driven or even had this thing really on the channel, other than kind of in the background, in and out the garage. So today we're gonna be taking out the LSA 350Z. I literally haven't drove this thing probably about a month and a half, or whenever it was that I had took it out to do the fun runs and shit in. So yeah. So since the last video, you guys seen that we got the carbon fiber roof on here. Everything should be cured. So I'm gonna be getting all this stuff off of here, and I want to go take it out, make sure this thing ain't gonna go fly up when we hit some miles per hour in Mexico. So yeah, it's pretty much what we're getting into today, man. Hopefully you guys are gonna be enjoying. Literally, we're just gonna do a POV drive around video of the LSA 350Z. So let me get this stuff off of here, and then I'll kind of show the car to the people that may be new to the channel, and then we're just gonna jump straight to it and go out and hit these streets. All right, first let's get this thing open. It's hot in here. Oh, you can see the sun out today as the roads dry. Yeah, roads all dry. Yeah, it's kind of a little nice day. So let's get all this shit up off of here. And bam, there we go. Carbon fiber roof looks sick. Looks good on there. Bro's gonna be coming back sometime this week. We're gonna add that seal back in there, and that's gonna be that. Nice fit. All right, let's see if we can get this thing out here. I'm not trying to move my C6, so see if we can squeeze it on out here and then commence. Show the new people that may be viewing for the first time. This is what we got under the hood. Essentially fully built LS3 with a ported LSA blower on it. Ooh, somebody banging. Bye, mama. All right, so just add a little oil to this thing. Tomorrow, probably what I'm gonna do is I have a Mighty Mouse catch can for it. We're building up a bunch of crankcase pressure, so it is pushing the dipstick up, but I'm gonna add the Mighty Mouse catch can set up to it tomorrow, so hopefully that gets rid of the crankcase pressure. But yeah, let's just get up out of here. It's been a minute, so looking forward to driving this thing again. All right, time to shake. Front camera on. All right, let's go. feels so weird. I ain't drove this thing in so long. BMW's all revving at us and stuff. Dude, I can't see the green light. Oh, feel we can go get them. Slipping and shit. going nowhere. Ready? Nope. Alright, man, so yeah, got done driving this thing around. Super weird. It's like going stupid rich on tip ends, going like 9, 10. So I need to have my tuner take a look at this thing again, because we never finished up the final tune. And since the last tune, we ended up changing like the cam and crank sensor, because we thought maybe we possibly had a faulty one. So I don't know if that could have possibly affected the tune, but drivability and everything's just like kind of poo-poo right now. So I want to get that clutch replaced anyway, though. Clutch should be somewhere around here. I don't know where that, there we go. Right there, clutch right there. Haven't even opened it. So want to get that on, and then we can throw this on the dyno and see what we could come up with. Also, my tuner said that he wanted me to, there's like a signal that goes to the speed sensor that he wants me to hook back in. That way the computer knows when it closes the throttle. So I got a few things I still want to do in here, and I need to clean up before it's final. But man, this thing's gonna be fun when it's all done. Currently, I think it's at 13 degrees of timing, and you guys seen how much power we picked up on the C6 when we started adding time into it. So this thing should be nasty. I think it's gonna make more power than the C5. So we'll see how that goes. If so, that would make the 350Z my third fastest. First it goes the SC, then the SuperCharged C6. Then it should be this or the SuperCharged C5. Either or. I think that's kind of like the order it would go in, but I kind of just want to take this thing out because it's been a minute since I actually drove it. Stuff to do. Other than that, I don't see any real indications. There's not even really too many vacuum lines on here. The fuel pressure regulator is set off base pressure, so we don't even have it set to rising rate. And literally the only like vacuum port is right here for the map. It has the map spacer, and then we have that little spacer thing right there. That way we can get a vacuum line off of the boost gauge. Other than that, that's really the only vacuum that's on here. So we shouldn't have any vacuum leaks or boost leaks. So got some stuff to figure out. Hopefully it ain't wiring related, because shit getting all hot in here and stuff. So we'll see, but eventually we'll get this thing running all the way 100. Yeah, I kind of want to make that a priority, is to get this thing all the way done. That way I can still drive it and start bringing it back out. But yeah, man, this is literally a quick little video driving this thing around, because y'all haven't seen it in a while. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Until next time, man, like always, love y'all greatly. Appreciate y'all always tuning in and chilling with your boy. Oh yeah, hopefully y'all love this carbon roof too. I think it looks sick. Deuces.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck them niggas hating on. I've been on the come up, you can go to speed, but it's better run up.